National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Franklin County in northern New York, northeastern St. Lawrence County in northern New York, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:52 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was near Raymondville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Helena, Moira, Lawrenceville, South Bombay, West Bangor, North Bangor. This severe thunderstorm is also producing deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. When you can do so safely, please report damaging winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting a storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. Get to safety immediately when threatening weather approaches. Winds may knock down trees and power lines and damage buildings. Large hail may cause injury and damage property. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Wednesday evening for northern New York and Vermont.
Anyway, they didn't take Conti away because it fucked Carl's mind up big time. Yeah, I was like,